Hey guys, it's David from mdbootstrap.com, and in this video I'm gonna share with you a few tips to get the most out of our support platform. So let's get started. Before you decide to post a new question, please make sure that you check our documentation before. mdbootstrap has a lot of comprehensive documentation pages describing every detail of our components. More than 90% of the questions asked on the support forum usually are answered by linking users to the correct place in the documentation. So before you ask, please take a moment and check our documentation. If you didn't find the answer for your question in our documentation, please use search engine on our support platform. So, for example, if you have issue with updating your bar charts, type update bar chart or other keywords and search for familiar topic. There is a huge chance that the question you have in your mind has been already asked and even more probably already answered. If you haven't found any satisfying answer for your question, if you haven't found answer to your issue in our documentation or other topics, you can always create a new one. Please keep in mind to fill as many data as possible and provide us as many details as you possibly can, which will help to provide you support as soon as possible. For example, if you have issue with a date picker, don't create subject called trouble with date picker, rather use more descriptive title like date picker, wrong date format, which will provide a context of your issue to our support team. Now please fill other important information like version of the product which you use, device on which issue has occurred, browser and version, and operating system. Don't forget to add as many tags as possible to your question so other users might find your answer in the future. Whenever your issue is related to the code, please create a snippet, give it a title, and click Create. This will open a new editor which allows you to add your code which doesn't work, including CSS and JS. Use this tool to reproduce your issue. Once your snippet is complete, please publish it, copy its link, and add link to the description by clicking this icon, pasting the URL, and changing the name. Don't forget to include expected behavior and actual behavior. Please keep in mind that the more details you provide while adding the new question, it easier it's gonna be to our team to answer your question and provide you with a proper support and solution. If your question will have a vague description or missing some details or a source code, our team will have to ask you to provide a source code, example of the code which doesn't work, or steps to reproduce the issue on our side, which will increase the resolution time. Once you make sure that all the data has been filled, post your question to our forum. Please remember that all MDB license holders which have active subscription receives a premium support, which means that our team will definitely answer your question as soon as possible. Unfortunately, we cannot assure that all the free users will get their answers. Once you add your question, it will get status pending And as soon as our moderator review it, it will get published. So don't be surprised and worry if your question isn't visible on a listing just after adding it. Once you receive the answer to your question, don't forget to change its status to either resolved or closed. In case you want to add answer or a comment on someone else's question, please do not hesitate to do so. Please keep in mind that the comments are meant for clarifying questions regarding given question or answer, and the answers are meant to provide a solution to the original problem.